Hello there. Welcome to a brand new adventure, one that could change your life and the way you think about property forever. Have you ever dreamt of owning your own place, imagining the keys in your hand, but felt like you'd need a mountain of money just to get started? The truth is, you don't need piles of cash. What you really need is a spark of creativity, a dash of determination, and a willingness to roll up your sleeves and get involved. Think of it like building a clever contraption from scratch, using what you already have, spotting opportunities that others might overlook, and bringing together the right people to help you along the way. This guide is your step-by-step blueprint for getting into real estate without emptying your wallet or taking huge risks. We'll show you how to use your brain power, invest your time wisely, and use your natural charm to open doors and get ahead in the property game. Forget the old myth that property is only for the rich or those with deep pockets. That's simply not true anymore. Today, you'll discover how to spot hidden bargains, team up with like-minded people, and actually make things happen, no matter your starting point. Real estate isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone with a smart plan, a bit of courage, and the drive to take that very first step. So, are you ready? Let's get cracking and make your property dreams a reality. Let's kick off with wholesaling, a straightforward way to start earning in real estate. Even if you don't have the money to buy a property yourself, wholesaling is all about connecting people and spotting opportunities, making it perfect for beginners who want to learn the business from the ground up. Here's how it works. First, you find a motivated seller, someone who needs to move quickly and is willing to accept a lower price for their home. These sellers might be facing foreclosure, relocating for work, or just want to sell fast without hassle. Next, you get the house under contract at that low price. This contract gives you the right to buy the property, but you don't have to actually purchase it yourself. Instead, you find a buyer, usually an investor, who's willing to pay more than your contract price. You connect the seller and buyer, assign your contract to the buyer, and pocket the difference as your profit. No loans, no ownership, and no need to fix up the house. Your main job is to hunt for motivated sellers, look for neglected or vacant houses, check public records for pre-foreclosures, or talk to people in your community who might know someone looking to sell quickly. You can also put up "We Buy Houses" signs around town, post online ads, or hand out flyers to attract sellers who need your help. At the same time, build a list of cash buyers by networking at real estate meetups, joining online investor groups, or reaching out to local landlords and flippers. Once you have a deal under contract, assign it to a buyer for a fee, sometimes called an assignment fee. This is your profit for putting the deal together. The title company or closing attorney handles all the paperwork, making sure the transaction is legal and everyone gets paid what they're owed. Wholesaling is a brilliant way to earn your first capital, build your network, and learn the ropes of real estate investing without much risk. All you need is hustle, a sharp eye for deals, and a willingness to connect people. With determination and creativity, you can start making money and building your reputation. Wholesaling is your first step into the property world, a launchpad to bigger opportunities in real estate. Want to own property but short on cash? Find a partner with money but little time or know-how. You bring the hustle, finding deals, managing renovations, and handling tenants. They bring the funds. Meet potential partners at networking events, business groups, or through friends. Prepare a solid proposal, show the numbers, outline the plan, and build trust. Learn your market, build your network, and let everyone know your goals. When you find a great deal, present it professionally, and agree on a fair split. Form a legal partnership so everyone knows their role and share. With teamwork, your effort, and their capital, you can buy and manage your first property. Partnerships turn dreams into reality, even if you start with nothing. Let's get inventive. When it comes to building wealth, sometimes the most creative ideas are the most effective. Today we're diving into clever strategies that can help you invest in real estate, even if you don't have a mountain of cash to start with. Try house hacking. Buy a small, multi-family home with a low-down payment loan, live in one unit, and rent out the rest. This approach lets you become a landlord while still having your own place to call home. Your tenant's rent covers most or all of your mortgage. Sometimes you live for free. It's a smart way to reduce your living expenses and start building equity from day one. After a year, move out and rent your unit for extra income. Now, you own a cash-flowing property and can repeat the process to grow your portfolio. Or try real estate syndication. Gather a group to buy a big property together. This lets you access deals that would be out of reach on your own. If you find the deal and organize the group, you can earn a share without investing your own money. You become the connector, bringing people and opportunities together. You become the general partner, finding, analyzing, and managing the property. Your leadership and effort are what make the deal happen, and you get rewarded for it. The key to all of this: build a strong network of agents, contractors, and investors. Relationships open doors to deals, advice, and resources you can't find alone. Attend meetups, buy coffee, and ask questions. Your network is your greatest asset. The more people you know, the more opportunities you'll discover. Deals, funding, and knowledge all come from the people you know. Every conversation could lead to your next big break. Creative investing is about using your wits and connections, not just your wallet. With a little ingenuity and the right people by your side, you can unlock opportunities you never imagined. We've covered wholesaling, partnerships, and creative strategies. Now it's your turn. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one idea and dive deep. Learn from books, podcasts, and people already in the game. Mistakes are part of the process. Each one brings you closer to success. Focus, keep learning, and don't let fear hold you back. Every no is a step closer to a yes. The opportunities are out there, waiting for you to discover them. Take action. Make a call, drive a new neighborhood, or talk to a potential partner. Start building your dream, one step at a time. Your grand adventure in real estate begins now. Go for it.